Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you check your promotion invitation history and participation history into Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application you will get to see this icon into the top left corner. Just simply tap into that, and after that you will get this option of promotion. Just simply select promotion option, and after going into promotions you will get to see this option of participation history and incentives history. Just simply check your participation and incentives history into this section. You can easily customize between so many options into this both section. This way you can easily track of your promotions and rewards into your Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.